How to fix Windows Update error 0x80240069. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first step is run Windows Update troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, Other troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. On the Get Help window, click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Click on Yes. The Windows Update diagnostics failed to run. If you like to talk to an agent, then click on Yes. Otherwise, follow the next step. Method 2 is manually install the Windows Update. Launch a browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press Enter. Click on Microsoft Update Catalog. This link. Type the update number. If you want to know the update number, open the Windows Update settings page. Here will be the Windows Update number, KB and something else. Copy from there and paste here and click on search. You will find multiple results. Find the file compatible with your system and download it. Then manually install the Windows Update. The next step is modify services. Click on search, type services, click on services, go to Windows Update, this one, right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic. Service status must be showing running. If it is not running, click on Start, click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on Windows Update, select Restart. Then look for App Readiness. Right click on App Readiness Service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic, click on Start. Service status must be running. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. This one, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic. Make sure that service status is running. Apply and OK. Then look for cryptographic service, right click, properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, change. Right click and select restart. The next step is reset Windows Update Cache. Go to the video description and click on this link. This will download a zip file in your default browser. Once downloaded, click on this folder icon. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Right click on this batch file. Select Run as Administrator. Yes. Press a key to continue on your keyboard. Again press any key on your keyboard. Close the running windows. And restart your computer. Then check for updates. The next step is run DISM and SFC tools. Click on search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. Click on yes. Go to the video description and copy the system files checker command. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the DISM restore health command. Paste into the command prompt. Again hit enter. Close the command prompt. Close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If the issue still persists, run chkdsk tool. Click on search, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Yes, type chkdsk. Press enter. Wait for the process to complete. Once completed, open this Windows Settings app and check for updates. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.